Hey guys, today's at the Yokosuka's Verny Park, and today's supposed to be observe the Australian destroyer here, but this is a Onami, this is a JMSDF side, and behind Onami, this is like a HMAS Brisbane, which is like Australian destroyers. From here, it's kind of not able to see the number, but I guess you have to look at this a different angle. And this is a very historical moment that the ship came to the first time for the maintenance and repair. There's a bilateral, which is like Japan, Australia made the deal and coming to visit the Yokosuka JMSDF site for the maintenance. It's never happened. This is the first time in this event. So this is like a little different angle, and here you'll be able to observe the ship number of the Brisbane. And if you don't tell, the color is about the same type of colors. So if you don't know, kind of it's hard to tell this also, but you'll be able to see the Australian national flag. And let's see. Yeah, this is another angle from little the front side. Today's hazy, it's not too hot, so the water itself is very calm too. Here is very unique ship. There's a Tokiwa, there's a refreshment ships. It's the first time I've ever seen these type of ships. Wow, okay, it looks like the ship has all kinds of equipment on board. It's a little different from the other destroyer. Last week, here's icebreaker ship was here, but there's no more icebreaker ship. And this is the US side, USS Milius. Same as like last week, the ship's under maintenance. And on the right side, it's about the same, like a USS Shoup and dock here. And let's take a look at the different angle. And back to the JMSDF Yokosuka Base side. And this is the front view of Onami. And from this angle, you're not going to be able to see the Brisbane. So only angle from the left side. And you're seeing is Tokiwa. And it looks like all kinds of equipment on the board. And the body is kind of long body too. And let's back to the US Navy side. And you've seen the USS Milius. This is a little closer to the US Navy side. And take a look at the another right angle of the USS Shoup, the one of the destroyer. And if you look farther right, you are going to see the JMSDF submarine. Last week there's one ships, but today it's only one of the Japanese JMSDF submarine here. And today it's not windy. And as you can see on the surface of the sea, it's very calm. And this is the Coast Guard shopping mall. Coming down to the Verny Park, you are able to see US Navy side. And look around if you're going. And here, the visible is, these are the two, so close to the Verny Park that you also visible. There's another JMSDF submarine, two of the destroyer from the US side. And from this side, this is like a JMSDF side. Well, Australians, Brisbane came to here yesterday, and since this ship's under maintenance, so it's gonna be here for quite a long time.